Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. After a lot of research, I purchased the Blink camera set. You can check in the text below for links to other videos that I have about my Blink camera system installation and products. Here's another accessory I bought for the Blink system. This is supposed to be able to hold your sink a little bit more attractively and effectively. And the outlet. I'm hoping I don't have to redo my whole system if I take this out. It does come with a smaller cable. I was wondering about that because I thought, how am I going to shove that big long cable all up in here? This is the current situation with the Blink sink. It has a very long cable, which is beneficial if you need it. I don't. And mine's just sitting on top of this outlet extender. And I'm hoping I can put the outlet extender in here, but I'm not sure it'll work on this because this has a little curve thingy up here. I may be able to use it down here. But it'll take up 2 spots right there. Let's unplug her and see. Supposed to be able to insert the short USB cable into the original adapter and sink module. It's not a C cable. Everything should be a C cable. So that's in there. Then put this part in here. Oh, got it right the first time. And then it's just to be able to plug it in like this and put it in the outlet. So it's going to hold it up and take up not all that space. Let's find a place for it. It isn't going to work here because this is going to take up like a lot of space. I don't think it's going to be able to keep a good connection because this thing sticks out so far. So I'll find another outlet. We have one here that's rarely used. Out of the way. Plug it in. And hopefully my system will start blinking when I cut it back on. I'll have to check that and not film it. That's how it looks. I've had it now for over 3 months and had absolutely no problems with it. It controls my sink and keeps everything out of the way with a lot less cord. Highly recommend buying this if you have the Blink camera set. 100% satisfied. Check in the text below for the link. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment, and subscribing to my channel or to a playlist that has items of your particular interest. Thanks a bunch.